My name is Os. I work with AD day to day, and today I would like to demo you one of the new features built right into AD 2008, which is directory database mounting. Please don't forget to visit my blog smtp25.blogspot.com. If you have any questions, feel free to ping me or tell at me on port 25. I will do my best to answer your questions. Directory database mounting is one of the cool features built into Active Directory 2008. Being able to take a snapshot and using it with LDAP tools such as ADOC and looking into offline read-only database. How cool is that? Can you imagine? We will do this right now, right here together. Why in the world we will ever need to do this anyway? Imagine you're going to perform security audit and you capture the state of Active Directory that did read-only database and you will work with it. You don't want to help desk or domain admins to make changes while you're auditing the database, or you will export Active Directory information and wish to plan or design Active Directory or use structure and so on. Whatever reason you have, you will learn how to do this in just seconds and you will see how easy this will be. What tool or tools you're going to use to accomplish the mission here. We will use built-in AD tools such as ntds util, dsa main.exe. Let's get going. Click on start, go to run. Charlie, Mary, David. I'm going to try to move the window a little bit so you guys see better. NTDS. Go ahead and type NTDS util and hit enter. Type snapshot. Hit enter. Activate space instance NTDS and hit enter. And then here's the magic word create, and I'll hit enter. What's happening in the background right now, VSS is taking a snapshot of root directory, which essentially is as we all know, that the database is sitting in an NTDS folder on the root Windows directory. Here you go. The snapshot is finished, and that's right there my GUID. What I like to do right now is I'm going to say mount, and let me show you another cool feature actually built right into a DOS. Mark feature. So what I like to do, I like to highlight these. I'm going to paste it down here and I'm going to hit enter. So here you go, I took the snapshot and I mounted actually to my Windows, so it should be visible now. Let me see, list mounted. Here you go, right there. Here's the path, C \$ snap underscore 2008. Let's see, actually, let's minimize this. Let's see that with our own eyes. Here you go, right there. That's our snapshot. If we drill down to NTDS, if we go inside, here you go, that the database. What I like to do, come on top, because I don't like typing, so I'm going to copy this and minimize this. So what I like to do, I like to open another window here, minimize down here. And I'm going to use a second command, dsa main space dash or / will borg db path, and this is my path to my snapshot.dat database. I'm going to put / here ntds.dat space dash ldap port space 10,000. Here we go. Everything looks beautiful. And what essentially I have done, I'm using my domain controller that I logged on as an LDAP server and mounted the snapshot to it on port 10,000. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go ahead and fire up ADOC. Here's ADOC coming up. As soon as ADOC is open, I'll show you how to connect to it. We make a right click here, we say change domain controller, second option, type the domain controller and then port number 10,000, hit enter. Look at over here, status is online. How cool that is, and click OK. There you go. Right now I connected to the same domain controller on port 10,000, which is a read-only copy of the other database. So I got everything over here, and this is read-only. Should not be able to delete anything. Let's test that. Here you go. I really cannot delete anything over here because it's read-only. So what I want to do, I want to expand over here. Let's say all these users, if I wanted to export these users, right, I will use export feature and I will say users. Here we go. I will minimize this, go back. Here you go, all the users here, for instance. So what I want to do right now, when I'm done, I'm going to type delete, asterisk, enter, and I'm going to close everything.